It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the house of Nest with their newest release, Golden Nectar. Now, Nest has some heat coming out of that house. I personally love, I can't think of the name of it. How bad is that? Well, my husband wears hibiscus, sunkissed hibiscus, I think that's the name of it. That's one of his favorites. And mine, I think it's indigo, something or another. Look, no, I think it's Midnight Fleur. There's one that smells identical to Laura Mercier's Ombre Vanille, that one. I think it's Midnight Fleur, which is, I absolutely love it. But I had most of their collection. But this new one, I had to try. So this is actually first impressions on camera. I just opened this a couple minutes ago before I started recording, just so it could be drying down so I can give you a full scope of how this fragrance is. But I got it from Sephora. I did a haul, and the bottle is really beautiful. So the description of it is, this floral gourmand fragrance blends the warmth of golden orchid and suede amber with notes of rich vanilla and velvety musk to create a seductive symphony for the senses. So we're looking at orchid, amber, vanilla, and musk. All of those notes work with my body chemistry, so I'm excited to see what it smells like. Not good, because I can't find it, and I literally just sprayed it on. So let's see. So I got to spray some more, because I can't smell it. I literally just sprayed it on, and I can't even smell it. The atomizer is really good, at least. Smells lipsticky. This is very powdery, instantly getting powder. So I don't know if there's any iris or violet in here that's not mentioned, but this is an instant no for me for that reason alone. Me and powder do not get along. Powdery scents actually turn my stomach. I don't know what it is that triggers almost a gag reflex when I smell something powdery, but I don't know why. If you do, let me know if there's some type of medical or scientific thing. I am interested to find out if that's true. So it doesn't smell bad, but it's very lipsticky, almost like it smells like a dried out Twizzler. That is the best comparison. If you like the original Twizzlers, not the pull and pill, the original red Twizzler smells just like that, but dry, like one that got stale. Think stale Twizzlers, and that's what this Golden Nectar is. No bueno, no me gusta, no. Oh my God. This is not good for me. It doesn't smell, but honestly, I can smell a child on. I can smell this on a child. So for the price that Nest, I think this was $85 or something like that. No, this is going back. It's kind of sweet. It literally smells like a Twizzler. If you like how Twizzlers smell and you want to smell like that, I guess literally smelling like a snack, then Golden Nectar by Nest will be great for you. However, let me know in the comments your favorite fragrance from the Nest house, because I absolutely love their diffusers, their reed diffusers. So when they came out with fragrances, I thought that was pretty cool. But anywho, if you want to try any fragrance in my collection, I do have decants available on my website, whistlenotes.com. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.